Good morning. Good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
A very good morning. Very good morning, Ira, Jashon, Vidya. Again, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Abigail, good morning. Yesterday you missed the class?
Sir, I'm outside, so I missed yesterday's class. I haven't watched the recording yet.
Why?
Sir, I didn't have any time yesterday. We started traveling at like 7:30 and went to
Oh,
sleep at like 11.
oh,
Fully busy.
oh. Yeah. Even yesterday I slept 5 o'clock morning. I mean today
Okay.
morning I slept. And because some one Philo program was going on, which is going on in USA. But we took a part in that, and we were learning something according to setups of live streaming or
Okay.
rehearsals and worship and all. So
So
I
sir,
slept
you
morning 5 o'clock.
oh
So basically, it was working according to US time. No, they have
yeah.
afternoon, but we have morning time. So I just
Okay.
got up 9:30, I guess, when I get ready for the class. And here I am.
Okay.
So where were we? We were starting
So
this.
we started a new topic, sir.
We were doing word problems. More about word problems.
Okay.
Sir,
Did you give any homework yesterday?
Yes, I guess Ira put it in the group, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, I didn't check it. I'll check it.
Yeah, we'll do some more questions based
Okay, sir.
on that yesterday question. Just give me a second. So yesterday we did the car wala question, Ira. Do you have any problem in that?
No, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
So you revise at home again?
Yeah, I revised it again.
Okay, Simeon, do you have any doubt in that car wala question?
no,
Yes, Edric.
no, sir.
Jashram, do you have any problem in that car wala question?
Can you please do it again?
Yes, sure. So we'll do one more type of question. Okay. I requested you, those who understand, do it. But those who doesn't understand, just draw the diagram. Like, we made the diagram with the car one wala na. So just draw the diagram if you didn't understand. But if you understand, then try to do it. Okay. So here is the question. Betya, turn on your camera, please. Everyone. Yeah, perfect, perfect. So here is the question. Now, please try to draw the diagram. Now, Abigail, this question is very important because it's there in an exam. And many times it asks in 4 marks or 5 marks question.
What, sir? Did you ask me something?
Yeah, this question is important. It's in your example also. And they usually ask in 4 marks or 5 marks question. That's why.
Okay, sir.
Try to draw the diagrams. Okay, so I'll explain this question. So, guys, listen to me. There are 2 points A and B, okay, which is 90 kilometer apart. Okay, please pay attention to the board. A and B are 90 kilometer apart, and a car starts from A, another from B at the same time. If they go in the same direction, they will meet in 9 hours. If they go in opposite direction, they will meet at 9 by 7 hours. So it means that, for example, car A and car B, if they go in same direction, means towards C. Listen, guys. If they go in the same direction towards C, they will meet at 9 hours. So it means that B and C take 9 hours to reach at point C. Okay, car A takes 9 hours to reach at point C. Okay, so it means that X kilometer is more than Y kilometer. Then only it can happen. Yes, if the speed of car A is fast, then only it can meet at car C at point C. Na? If car A is slow, then it won't be there. I mean, the car is already behind, and if it is slow, it won't meet at C point. Understood? No? Just on yes or no? Yes. Now, when they go in opposite direction, means car B is towards left side and car A towards right side. So if they go in opposite direction, they will meet at point B, and they take 9 by 7 hours. How many? How much hours? 9 by 7 hours to reach at point D. Now, how will you solve this? So we will write it like this. Let the speed of car A be x kilometer per hour and speed of car B be y kilometer per hour. Okay, so do you know the formula of distance? Anybody?
Speed into time.
Yeah. Distance is equals to speed into time. Remember this formula, okay? We are using this thing. How? We will check it out now. So we know that, everyone please pay attention. In same direction. So we are taking first case, which is in same direction. So when they are going in same direction, if I will do distance by car A minus distance by
Car
car
B
B is equals to,
90.
yeah, how 90, Abigail? See, how like distance by car A, like car A started from this side, okay, and it reaches to point C. Yes, even in same direction. First, we are doing in same direction. Okay, the same direction is this black wala. Okay, okay, and the distance covered by car B is like this started from B and this is to the C. If you will subtract it, what will be the answer, Abigail? Like A to C and B to C. If you will subtract it, what will be the answer?
90 kilometers.
Yeah, why 90? Because it will left this part only, na? That's why it become 90 kilometer. Everyone understood, Jashram? No. Simeon, did you understand? Ira?
Yes.
Okay, so it will become 90 kilometer. Okay, and if they go in opposite direction, so no. First, what is the formula of distance of car A? So, Jashran, what will the distance of car A will be? Distance equals to speed into time. Yes, Jashran. What is the formula for distance? Speed into time, na?
It would be x into 9, maybe.
Yes, 9x. Perfect. You're saying correct. 9x minus, yeah, 9y is equals to 90 kilometer. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? This is my first equation, which I got. Did you understand? Simen, did you understand, beta?
Yes.
Yeah. So now when they are in opposite direction, so Betya, what equation you will make if they are in opposite direction? What equation you will make?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I mean,
anybody knows?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know it. Distance
What?
around car A plus distance around by car B equal to 90.
Yes. Okay, why it is so? Can anybody explain me other than that, Rick?
because they both are going between A and B, and they're meeting at D, which is between A and B, and we know that the distance between A and B is 90 kilometers.
Yeah. So it means that, like for example, distance by car A. So it is going in opposite direction. So the blue marker one we are solving. Okay. So like A to D and car B is B to D. If you will add it, it become this whole, and this whole is basically 90 kilometer. Understood? No. Okay. Now, Vidya, what is the distance by car A? What is the formula for distance?
You don't
It's written on the
remember?
board. It's written on the board. What is the formula for the distance?
Oh, speed into time.
Now, what is the speed of car A?
90.
No. What is speed of car A? We don't know.
Oh, X.
Hmm. And how much time it take to reach at D?
To reach
At D. D point
uh,
in the figure.
9/7
Say
hours.
9 by 7 hours. So now distance is basically speed into time. The speed is x and the time is 9 by 7 hours. So it will become 9 by 7x. Did you understand? Yes, Vidya. Now next, tell me distance by car B.
9/7 hours.
9 by 7.
Why?
Yeah, y is equals to 90. So I got the second equation also. Yes or no? Now you guys have to solve it to get the value of x and y with the elimination method or any substitution method you can use it. Understood? Yes or no? Quickly write it down and solve it for x and y quickly. And I want each diagram also. See guys, the diagram helps us a lot. Without diagram, we don't know anything, but diagram is important. Even in examination, if question will come, draw with the diagram. Go with the diagram.
So, sir, we'll find either the value of x or of y in the first equation, and then we'll substitute that in the second if we're
Yeah,
using the substitution method.
yeah, correct, correct. No problem with that.
Done, sir. Got the answer.
Yeah, send it to me. Joshua, are you with me? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yeah, but I'm not able to.
What, Peter?
I won't be able to write though for this week.
So you're not able to write, but you understand.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, if you didn't understand, ask me any doubts, okay? Don't keep it with you.
Okay.
So you did it by elimination method, so
Yes.
so which you would suggest, like if in the exam they give us our own option, which would we do,
Mhm.
elimination or substitution?
I usually use elimination because it's easy to use. Substitution might be complicated sometimes. Like here, fraction is there, so in that fraction part, it get worse and waste your time. So I personally use elimination method. So, but it's your choice. I'm not forcing you to do it, but I
Sir,
preferred or I personally use the elimination. Yes,
sir, I also use elimination method only.
yeah, because it's easy to use. It won't give wrong answer. Did you understand, guys? Simon, do you have any doubt?
No.
Anybody has any doubt? Ira, do you have any doubt? Please ask me, beta. Just round. Any doubt now? Shall I give one more type of question? Same type of question? Can you find
Yes,
it out now?
please.
Okay. I'll give you one more type of same type of question. No, not a difference. But the values will be different. Shall I raise this? Anybody's writing?
Erase it.
Shall I raise this? Okay,
Yes,
I'm raising this.
I finished.
Okay, this is a
Sir,
question.
that's the same thing, sir.
That's the
That's the
same
same
question.
question. Sorry. Here's the question. Now you guys find it out. Okay, you guys have job to do it. Quickly do it. It's step by step, diagram by diagram I need. Okay? Same question, the values are different.
Sir, I don't have my book with me, so I'll just try to do mental max.
Okay. Betya Simeon, I want each step. Tashran, Done?
Not yet.
Any problems? Anybody is facing any problem? Please ask me. Today we'll complete this chapter. Tomorrow we'll start a new chapter called as quadratic equation. And one information I want to convey to you that June there won't be any classes. So June is basically summer holidays for NXT classes also. So June, the whole month won't be there any class. After May, we'll start from July. I can see that Simeon is doing Bhangra. Even Edric too. Okay. But we won't do waste our June month. We will have after class representation activity, okay, in which I'll assign you some chapters. So in that June month, you guys have to prepare that chapter, okay, and we will do class representation. So it means that some chapter which I will give you, you have to make notes, okay, and you have to represent that chapter in your own way. You have to teach that chapter in your own way by your own representation. So you have some limited amount of time, and in that you have to represent it. Okay, it's from book only. Okay, done. Shall I use this?
Yes, sir. What's the answer?
You tell me.
I'm not done. I'm not done. Wait.
Okay, you just write it down. And you don't done, then quickly do it.
Sir, I got YS 30 and
Don't say, don't say, don't say,
Oh, okay,
don't
sir.
say. You just write it down.
Sir, got the answer, sir.
Got the answer? What? Write it down.
I got the wrong answer.
Okay. Why? What answer you got, Simeon? Okay, Edric, correct. No, it's wrong, Simeon. You did something wrong.
Sir, is mine correct?
You didn't send me.
I sent to NXTN.
Yeah, I didn't receive any message. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, sir.
Uh, if I will directly make equation na, so it going be 7x minus 7y is equals to 70. This is the first equation you will get. And the second equation will be x plus y is equals to 70. If you get these two equations, then it is correct.
How did you get 7x minus 7y?
Because they are meeting, if they go in same direction, na, if they're going in same direction, they will meet in 7R. So like they are meeting at point C. So car A will take 7 hours to reach at point C. Car B also take also 7 hours. So speed of car, so distance traveled by car A is 7x and distance traveled by car B is 7y. That's why it becomes 7x minus 7y. Did you understand? Like in the previous question, it was 9x minus 9y is equal to 90 was there, na? Because they are going in same direction. In the same way, here it is 7x minus 7y. Aida, what mistake you did, beta?
Sir, I got that, but I don't think my answer is right. There's way too much difference in the numbers.
What happened? So you got these two equations? Till here you did?
Yeah, that I got correct. But then I
Okay.
think there's something wrong in elimination.
Okay. So what mistake you did? Can you tell it in detail?
I'm still trying to figure out that.
Okay. What answer you got?
I got y as 4 and x
That's
as which is
it's incorrect. Yes. Anybody else? Yes. Jashan is saying something. Yes, Jashan. Yeah, I can hear you. Yes. Say it again. So you got the answer? What answer you got? Okay. Petya, you got the answer?
Yes.
What answer you got?
It might be wrong.
Yeah, what's the answer? Yeah, correct. Just one. Kuki, tell me. So basically, what you have to do, I can take out 7 as a common, so it become x minus y is equals to 70. Okay, Ira? Please pay attention, Ira. I take out 7 as a common from these two terms. Now this 7 will go and divide, so it becomes x minus y is equals to 70 upon 7. Then x minus y is equals to 10. Did you understand, Ira? And this is the second equation that we are using. So basically what I will do, I will write x minus y is equals to 10, x plus y is equals to 70. Now this and this will cut, should become 2x is equals to 80, x equals to 80 by 2. So x equals to 40 kilometer per hour. And if I will put it into this, then I will get y is equals to 30 kilometer per hour. This is the correct answer.
Sir,
Yes.
I did like changing of the signs also.
Yeah, it's okay. You choose X to eliminate. That's why you change the sign. I don't want to. I choose Y to eliminate. That's why I didn't change the sign because they have four
Okay.
different signs. No? Then I simply add it up. Okay, we'll do one more type of question. Okay. Now, this is the another type of question. Now, basically, we know fraction, and in fraction, there is numerator and denominator. Okay, so in that thing, what I'm trying to say, in fraction, there is a numerator and denominator. Numerator is the above part, and denominator is the lower part. Any problem in that? Still, guys, any problem in that? No. So there's a question saying a denominator of rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So I want to ask from Simeon, what equation you can make till here? So we can do one thing. We can take numerator as x and denominator as y. So Simeon, please can you make a equation from this line? So the denominator of a rational number is. So what is denominator of rational number? Simeon, unmute your mic, please. Yeah.
So y equals to
Y is equals to
x plus 8.
very good. X plus 2. This is the first equation. Yes. Now it is said that the denominator is decreased by 1 and the numerator is increased by 17. The number is 3 by 2. I'm repeating again. The denominator is decreased by 1 and the numerator is increased by 17. The number of it is 3 by 2. So, do you guys have any idea how you can do this? The second equation, how will you make this?
Can it be like y
Yeah,
minus 1 equals x plus 8 plus 17?
Say it again.
Can it be y minus 1 equals x plus 8 plus 17?
No, it's not like that. Yeah, it's not like it's good try.
sir.
Means I can say yes.
I think we can do x plus 17 by y minus 1 equals 3 by 2.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, so it is written that see, it is written that the denominator. Oh, sorry. The denominator is decreased by 1 and the numerator is increased by 17. So what does this mean? This means that the denominator is like I taking as y. So and the numerator is increased by 17. So numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. So I will write is as y minus 7 and the number is 3 by 2. I got number as 3 by 2. This is the second equation. Did you understand, Simeon, Britya, Deshrol? Everyone understood? Edric, you understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Joshua, now you guys have to solve it. So can you solve it and tell me the answer? Ira, you didn't understand?
Sir,
Ask me.
sir, it's not y
Yes.
minus 7, it's y minus 1.
Yeah, y minus 1, my bad.
Can the denominator be written as x minus 7?
Can be denominator as written as?
X minus 7.
Yes. But it won't be minus 7. It will be plus 7. Like if you will substitute the value into this, then it will
Yeah,
become like
I made
this.
the side.
Yeah, it's gonna be x plus 8 minus 1 3 by 2. So x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now remember this thing, guys. Don't cut this x with this x. You will say, sir, it becomes 0. Don't do it. It's a humble request.
Sir, because
It's a
plus
humble
sign is
warning.
there. No, sir, because plus sign is
Yeah,
there.
because there are two terms are there, and the two terms have different solution as compared to one whole term. If it is 17x and 7x is there, no, like 17 multiplied by x upon 7 into x, then we can cut x because they are one term. But here two different terms are there. If two different terms are there, we can't cut it that they are x, sir, do it now, sir. It will make our task easy. No, it won't be easy. It is different. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, so now how will you solve this? We will do here cross multiplication. Like this x plus 7 multiplied by 3 and this 2 multiplied by x plus 17. This will become like 2 into x plus 17 is equals to 3 into x plus 7. So this will multiply with both. So it will become 2x plus 34 is equals to, if also multiply, so it will become 3x plus 21. So it will become 2x minus 3x is equals to 21 minus 34. It will become minus x is equals to minus 13. So this and this will look at x equals to 13, and then y is equals to 13
21.
plus 8, which is 21. So you have to write this statement also. The fraction will be 13 upon 20. This line is very, very important. If you're not writing it, you will reduce your mark. Why? Because you have to find the rational number. Sorry,
Nothing, I got.
you got it?
Sir,
Yes.
7 threes are 21, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you switched the places. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in this, Ira?
No, sir.
Okay, so now I'll write the today's homework. Today's homework is who will write Abigail. Please add it in the group, okay? So we have completed this chapter, and this Friday there will be the test of this. Okay?
Of this chapter?
Yes. And it will the question from the book only. I will not ask from the outside people.
Like the questions in the terminal exercises and in-text questions.
Yes.
How much you give, sir?
So in the terminal exercise, we have to do questions 2, 3, and question 3, 4, and 5, like inside the terminal
Yeah,
exercise.
it's only terminal. Yeah.
How did I get question 99? Oh,
This is your homework. This is your homework. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we'll stop our class here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Then bye. Have a nice day, Simeon and Abigail. In 4 minutes, we'll start our science class. Till then, bye. Go everyone. Drink water. Be
bye.
hydrated and come back.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Abigail. Okay, guys, come back. Okay. So we were doing. Everyone, turn your camera, please. Okay. Now today we will learn about blood group and transfusion. So we know that there are four types of blood groups are there: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Okay. So now there is some restrictions are there that gives us uh, uh, that only like blood group A can be receive the blood from O or A itself, not from AB, not from O. So basically, there are some restrictions are there. So how this table is formed, we will learn this thing. Okay, today we will learn how the table is formed. So before going that, we should know a brief about antigen and antibody. So first of all, we will learn about antigen. So antigen in science language, antigen is called as the germs. Okay, the germs that comes inside our body that affect our body, that foreign particles. For example, if I am having cold, if I have having cold, so I have germs, which is called as antigen, and my in response of that antigen, my body creates antibody. Okay, so antigen is the foreign particle. Okay, and antibody is the response of body against antigen. Did you understand, guys? This is the word antibody means. Now, basically, antigen has, like, for example, if the antigen structure is like this, then antibody structure should be same so that it can kill the bacteria. So basically, there is some interlocking issue is there between antigen and antibody, so that same amount of antibodies, if it is released, then only it can kill the same amount of bacteria. Antigen, for example, like we do you know chicken pox? So in that in our body, in a lifetime, only one time you can have chicken pox. Okay, so if you have chicken pox, like in childhood times, then you will not develop in the coming your life. Why? Why it's so? Because chicken pox, the virus, which is antigen, okay, that antigen is like first time we will get affected because we doesn't have any antibody against that. But when we will fight, when we will defeat that virus, then after whenever in our lifetime when we will get affected by the chicken pox, our body immune system knows the antibody against that antigen, the chicken pox virus. So whenever that antigen tries to come in our body knows antibody against that, and it will create it and it will defeat before getting affected or before showing any symptoms in our body. So basically, what I'm trying to say, antigen have some special interlocking, and antigen in response of that antigen, antibodies get attached to that antigen and kills the area. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. For example, you guys sometimes have cold. So in cold, sometimes we won the war, but sometimes it got worse. because our body doesn't getting that perfect antibody against that antigen. So what we try to do, we try to take antibodies from outside called as azithromycin, which is an antibody. So that is also antibodies. There is also antibodies that dissolves in our stomach that goes into the blood so that the germs can be killed. Okay, one more response our body gives. Yesterday we learned like fever. If we are getting fever, so it's not a bad thing. It's a response from our body that we are increasing the body temperature. And why we are increasing the body temperature? So that germs will die. So that the germs will not do extra work or extra damage to our body. So, I mean, fever is response to our body, but excessive fever coming again and again, then it means that our body is not able to cope up with the germ. So we need extra antibodies or medicines from outside. Do you know this called as BCG vaccine?
Oh, wait.
BCG.
Bacillus calmette-guerin.
Yes, good. So in that BCG vaccine, it's give to the small newborn baby. In that they give BCG vaccine, and in that BCG vaccine, dead or very weakened bacteria is inserted into the baby. Okay, why? Because BCG vaccine helps us to fight against many germs. So basically, like COVID, you know, COVID. In COVID, we got Covaxin or Covishield. Okay, that Covaxin and Covishield is it's the type of dead or very weak COVID bacteria was inside in virus inside in our body. Okay, so that our body can fight against that, and that weak part of that COVID variant, which is inserted in our body fight against that. That's why after the vaccination, as an adult, we got fever, we got some weaken our body because our body was fighting against that weak bacteria, or sorry, weak virus. Okay, and after that, our body now got a map of that COVID bacteria. When it will come, we have to release this type of antibody. So after Covishield and Covaxin, those who have got it, so after whenever they will get affected, they won't have that much struggle for the first time. Like if they got first time without vaccine, now if they will get, they won't have that much struggle because their body remembers that okay, this COVID came, coronavirus came, so you have map that map to fight against that coronavirus. Did you understand? That's what the vaccine is used to give. So do you get the concept of antigen and antibody? Joshua, Vidya, turn on the camera. Do you get concept?
So,
Iron?
sir,
Yeah.
so you're saying antigen is bad and antibody is good.
Yes, antibodies is good, which helps our body to fight against the antigen. Okay. Now, now we will learn something new. So, do you have any doubt in that? Anybody? No. Good. So now I will make one box for you guys. Blood group, antigen, antibody, and this is correct. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. This is blood group, antibody, antibody, pandemic, and this. Okay, now listen, guys. So, for example, we know that four types of blood groups are there: A, O, AB, and B. Okay. So first, if I will talk about A blood group. So if a person has A blood group, okay, there is an antigen present in that body, okay, which is on the RBCs. Okay, listen, guys. There's a RBCs. We know RBCs are red in color. So if a person having A blood group, so he has A antigen in the on the present on the RBCs. If a person has B blood group, then B antigen is present on uh, the RBCs. If a person has AB blood group, then AB antigen is present on the RBCs. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So if a person having A blood group, so what antigen is there? A. Now, what antibody should be there?
B.
B. Because if A antibody is there, then the antibody will kill the A antigen. Then it will kill the person itself. Understood? Yes or no, Jahwar? Did you understand? If a person have, like he has A antigen, okay? If a person has A antibody, then the A antibody will kill the A antigen and the person will die by not having any fever, but it will die by himself. It won't be possible. That's why it has B antibody. Did you understand? Yes or no? So if a person has B blood group, so it has B antigen and A
A.
antibody. If a person has AB blood group, so it has AB antigen and no blood group. So zero antibody. Okay. It doesn't have any antibody. Okay. Now, if a person have blood group, O means zero antigen. So zero antigen is there, and it has A and B both. I write A and B, both antibody. Did you understand? Yes
Sir?
or no? Yes?
Okay, sir. But in the AB blood group, they have only antigens. That means no antibody. What will happen to AB then? What will happen? Don't have antibodies.
Antibodies, they antibodies like these antigens are not harmful for us. It's just giving the blood group. It's not harmful.
I mean,
A person
if,
having case weak.
if
It's
we get this antigen, it will be A antigen. If we have A blood group, we will get an A antigen. If we get antigen, we'll have A antigen. Then if we
yeah,
have B blood group, we'll get B antigen.
yeah. But these antigens are not harmful for our body. Okay, it's just giving the different blood group. Simple as that. Okay. So
Yeah.
now, if I will talk about this A blood group, so the A blood group can receive blood from which type of bloods we can understand. So this A can get a blood from A person itself. If a person having A blood group and he only can donate the blood to this A blood group person. For example, if a person got met with the accident and he lost blood, so he can get blood from A and any other one, any
Uh,
other one. Like for example,
he can get from O also. He can get from O.
if a person get blood from B, what will happen with you? Like for example, he got injured, A person got injured, and he got blood from B. Then what will happen?
He won't survive.
Why? Because A has antibody as B, A has antibody as B, and B blood group has antigen as B. So if you will transfuse this blood to this person, then they both will fight because B antibody will attack B antigen. That is why that person will not accept the B blood group. If a person having A blood group needs blood from A, or he gets blood from O because O doesn't have any antibody. Antigen. So if it doesn't have any antigen, then we will not fight with this. So it's basically O. Did you understand, guys?
Yes.
What I need to
So
do?
I mean O can donate to any blood group.
Yes. So now, Ira, can you tell me B? B can receive from which blood group?
A.
Okay, so you're saying B blood group can receive blood from A. So B has antibody. Can you tell me what is the antibody?
A. The antibodies. So it can receive blood from only O.
Only O and B. If a person having B, then it can receive. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. No. Jashan, did you understand? Now Jashan will tell me. Jashan, AB can receive blood group from which blood group?
O
Okay, O
and AB.
and AB. And if you will check, there is no antibody. If there is no antibody, so even if you will take it from A or even if you will take it from B, because there is no antibody to fight against this antigen, so it can receive blood from A and B also. Did you understand, Jashan? Yes or no? Betia, did you understand? Huh? Now, Edric, O can receive blood from which blood group?
Only O.
Yes, only O. Why only O? Can anybody tell me, Jahovan?
Because the antibodies will kill all the antigens from any other blood group.
Yes, good. Now, I want to ask from Jahovan. Jahovan, we'll start from bottom. O can donate to whom?
O can donate to everybody, right?
Everybody. So it can donate to A, he can donate to B, because there is no antigen. That's why I'm saying he can donate to AB and he can donate to O also. Now, Ira, AB can donate to whom? If a person,
AB.
only AB. Yes, only AB. Like for example, if we donate this AB blood group person, if we donate to A, then B antibody is there, and then this B antigen is there, so they will fight. So there is no use. Okay. So now, Jashan, B blood group can donate to whom?
I didn't hear what you said, sir.
I'm saying B blood group can donate to whom?
B can donate to B and AB.
B and AB. Perfect. Okay. Now, Edric, A blood group can donate to whom?
A and AB.
Yes, A and AB. So this is how the blood group works. Understood, guys? Now, one thing I want to say that you can see that O can donate to everyone. So O is also called as universal
Universal donor.
donor because he can donate to everybody. And AB can receive blood from everyone. So it is also
Universal recipient.
universal recipient. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now quickly write it down. So this table can come in your exam, then like how to make it, make it. Okay, or in the form of fill in the blanks also. When you are good in concept, then you don't have to do rectification. But if you understand this, then you can make it by your own also. Yes, Edric? Did you understand this table?
Yes, sir. Sir, one thing.
Yes.
Then how come people are saying like A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, and all those things?
Positive thing is basically it's called as RH factor. Okay, that RH factor is basically not in your code. That will come in your 12th class. Okay. Basically, the RH factor gives, like, if RH factor is there in your blood, it's called as positive. If RH factor is not there, which is it's called as negative. That works in different ways. Yeah, but that is also a thing to understand, that is also a matter. Okay, but in your course, it's basically A, B, and A, B, O. So we are doing this thing. It's basically the RH factor found in monkey. I forget that RH factor. Let me close. RH factor is the protein on the surface of the red blood cells. So if that protein is present, then it is called as positive, and if protein is not there, then it's called as negative. So then, like A positive, if you have that RH factor, that protein is present on your blood cells with the antigen also. So that means that you are B positive. If RH factor is not there, then it is called as B negative. Understood, Edric?
Yes, sir.
Jahoan, are you making this, beta?
Sir, I made it, sir.
Okay. Bethia, Joshua, did you understand?
Yes.
Sir, this table is already there in the book, sir. There.
So that you have to make. Okay. So why I make it on the board so that you can understand the concept behind that, how the table is formed. Don't do any rectification, but understand it and then solve it. Okay, shall I raise this? Ira, can you do it from the book? Same table is there. Okay, same thing is there. Okay, or you can take picture if you want.
Okay, yes, I'm done.
Okay. So there will be. So now I want Bethia to read from this. Yes, please.
Blood groups and blood transfusion. You must have heard that blood has to be arranged for a person undergoing a surgery operation, or in the case of an accident, or in a case of person suffering from thalassemia. What is that?
Thalassemia. So
Thalassemia.
thalassemia is a type of disease in which the body produces less amount of hemoglobin. So it's a type of anemia. Okay, so in that also there is the need of blood transfusion is needed. Okay, yeah, please read it.
This arrangement is to replace blood lost from the patient. Injecting blood into the body from outside is called blood transfusion. Blood transfusion is successful only when the blood donor who gives blood and of the recipient who receives blood match. Unmatched blood transfusion causes agglutination, clumping together of red cells, due to which the recipient may even die. On the basis of protein present in the blood, a system of blood group known as ABO system have four blood groups named AB, A, B, AB, and O is recognized in human blood. Antigens present on membrane of RCB of transfused blood is counteracted by antibodies present in the plasma of recipient.
Sorry. Yeah, say it again. Yeah. So, did you understand the universal donor and universal recipient? They can ask you that question in 3 marks, that why the AB is called as universal recipient. So you have to explain whole thing which I explained it to you. That AB have a antibody zero. There is no antibody present. An antigen has A and B. So because there is no antibody, you have to exaggerate this answer, okay, in 3 points. So because there is no antibodies there, then it can receive blood from A, because it can receive blood from B, it can receive blood from O, it can receive blood from AB. So all the four blood groups he can receive. That's why it is called as universal receiver. That's why if you will go and check in the market, if a person who have O blood group, it's very rare blood group. It's very rare blood group, and it is very hard to find it. Okay, if a person having AB blood group, so it is very common blood group, and it because you can receive from A, B, AB. Okay, so there is no problem in that AB person blood group. But if a person having O blood group, so it is said, like for example, if you're going to buy blood from the blood bank, okay, so you need to give O person blood, then only you can take the O person blood. Okay, so why it is
Sir,
so? Yeah.
sir, O blood group is the rarest blood group and AB blood group is the most common blood group.
Not common. We can't say common and rarest, but we can say it is difficult to find or it is easy to find. We are not saying common or rarest first, but we are saying like AB blood group is easy to find. Why it is easy to find? Because he can receive from A, he can receive from B, he can receive from O, he can receive from AB. It's easy to find. You can go in blood bank and you can give your blood, okay, so that because whatever the blood group you have, okay, it doesn't matter. It can go to the AB one. Understood, guys? What I'm trying to say. Okay. So, but if a person having O blood group, so you can't donate. Like if you have A blood group, so you can't donate. You need a person who has O blood group. He will donate, and then you will get a bottle from the blood. So it is difficult to find the O blood. That is my main point. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now, Ira, can you read this lymphatic system?
Lymphatic system. Lymph is also a circular fluid and flows in the lymph vessels. It is light yellow in color. It always flows only in one direction from tissues to heart. Cells called lymphocytes present in lymph eat up germs and prevent body from infections. It returns proteins and fluids from circulation to tissue.
Yeah. So basically, lymphatic system is light yellow in color, and it always flows in one direction. So from lymphatic, I told you where the blood vessels cannot reach, these vessels can leave. So for example, highway, then normal roads, and then streets. The very near thin streets. So that makes the lymphatic system like where the blood vessels like arteries cannot reach, their lymphatic system can reach. It's yellowish color because it got filtrated from the blood. Okay, it got filtrated from the blood to the cells like WBCs, like RBCs, like platelets. They will not get into the lymphatic blood system, but the nutrients and the plasma get filter and goes into the lymphatic blood system. Like it's like a channi, chai patti channi. When you are putting chai, and the channi will go like it won't go in down. It won't go into filtrate, but it will remain up in that channi, in that what we say sieve. Okay, so basically, lymphatic system is this type of system in which the cells got filtrate and it remains in the blood vessels, but the yellowish plasma and some of the cells and nutrients get passed through it. Understood? Did you understand, guys? So this is called a lymphatic blood system. So we'll stop here only. Any problem? Any problem, guys? Any doubt? Edric, Joshua?
No, sir.
No doubt. So we'll stop our class here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayo.